Hey everybody, I'm Logan Alec. I'm a CPA. I own Choice Tax Relief. A big part of our practice is getting folks who have not filed tax returns in several years back in compliance, figuring out the best way to approach those tax returns, preparing them, and filing them accordingly. And Lisa's asking on my video about how to file back taxes, because in that video I was focusing on federal taxes. So Lisa's asking, how do I file for old state taxes? That is a great question, Lisa. And the answer is, it's really the same process that I described in that video, link to that video at the top of the screen, that I described in that video for federal taxes. Pull your transcripts, right? Gather your records as best you can. Reconstruct if you have to. Now, the only thing that you won't have on your wage and income transcripts for state purposes that you would for federal purposes are a couple things. One, if you're a W-2 employee, your state wages. Because sometimes there's a difference between your federal taxable wages and your state taxable wages. For example, here in California, if you contribute to an HSA, those HSA contributions reduce your W-2 line 1 federal wages, but they don't reduce your California state wages. Now, they do for most states, okay? But this is just kind of a California thing. And I believe New Jersey as well is the same. So California and New Jersey are two states that don't give you that tax break on your HSA contribution. So, and there's many other things like that too, depending on your state, that could cause a difference between your federal wages and your state wages. The other thing is your state withholding amounts. And this goes for local returns too. If you live or work somewhere where you have a local filing requirement, I'm looking at all those cities in Ohio, I'm looking at, St. Louis, there's a St. Louis return, Philadelphia. I mean, there's various cities throughout the country where you have to file a city return, essentially. So your state and local wage amount and your state and or local withholding amount will not be present on your federal wage and income transcripts. How can you obtain those amounts? Well, you could look at, if you have access, you could just simply pull your old W-2, right? Look at the bottom there at the state and local boxes. You could possibly call your state and get this information. Here in California, and we do this for our clients if need be, we call in with the federal wage and income transcript in front of us. We say, hey, our client made $20,000 from McDonald's Corporation. We see this on their wage and income transcript. Can you please give us the state's wage and withholding information from this employer? And then they'll give it to you over the phone. Not all states are like that, but in California, they do that. There's some other states that we know that will do that as well. So basically, Lisa, just in summary here, you'd file your old state tax returns the same as for your federal, right? But there, with the exception of, hey, you're probably gonna have to dig a little bit deeper to figure out your state wage and withholding information. Another thing to know is that with the IRS, there is that 6-year rule. They'll generally consider you in compliance with your tax return filing obligations if you get caught up with the last 6 years, to the extent each of those years is required. For states, there's generally not this blanket 6-year rule or something. In order for you to get into a resolution with the state, they'll often require you, to have been caught up for the past 10 years, or maybe even in as far back as when you first were missing a return, because lots of states simply don't have that 6-year rule. And states tend to be a little bit more aggressive anyway, even on the collection side. For example, on the collection side, the IRS has a 10-year statute of limitations after the date a tax is assessed to collect that tax. For many states, that's 20 years, or even, for all practical purposes, indefinite. So there's a little bit of nits and stuff with the states, but I'm sure it's something you can't handle, Lisa. If you want our professional help in filing your old state tax returns, please give us a call at Choice Tax Relief, 866-8000-TAX. That's 866-8000-829. Or visit us at choicetaxrelief.com and fill out the form on our website, and we will reach out to you. I also have some other videos here on the left-hand side of the screen about filing back tax returns. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.